Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer emails using Mailchimp, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start transferring emails using Mailchimp, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you want to transfer emails to. Next, locate the Manage Audience drop-down menu.
From this menu, choose the Import Contacts option. On the Import page, select the Upload a File option.
You can now choose a file that contains the email addresses you want to transfer. Make sure your file is in CSV or TXT format for compatibility. Click on the Browse button to find your file on your computer.
Once selected, click the Continue to Setup button.
Mailchimp will then analyze your file.
You may need to match the columns in your file with Mailchimp's fields.
For instance, match the email address column with Mailchimp's email field. Once everything is matched correctly, click Continue to organize. Here, you can tag your contacts or add them to a specific group. After organizing, click Continue to review. Review all the information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Import.
Mailchimp will then begin to upload your contacts. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the import is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message.
Now, you can view your transferred emails within the Audience section.
You are all set to start using these contacts in your marketing campaigns.
Remember to comply with email marketing regulations to maintain a healthy audience.
If you need further assistance, refer to Mailchimp's support resources. You are now ready to engage with your new contacts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.